And here's that opera piece.
Producer, it is always his ambition to enable lots of Puttenham stars to shine. The Christmas show is always a tradition. And if we fail, it's absolutely fine. So each new year we start to plan another a focus group to get the content right. We collect all our ideas and then discover that most of them are absolutely shy. With so many preparations to be done, the producer's lot is not a happy one. To cap it all, the best boys done a runner, and half the cast have bumped off on a cruise. Where is that act which promises a stunner? And which of all the shy should we choose? He convinced himself he ought to throw the towel in, but he'd leave his team to come up with the goods. He'd enjoy the golden wedding and the cruising. God forbid they choose the lady in the woods. With so many preparations to be done, the producer's lot is not a happy one. Then from the blue we find a great showstopper, and other cracking acts are looking strong. We used an opera ditty about some coppers, and now we have this cheerful little song. And finally he's back from lollygagging, arguing with his missus all the time. He says you're going to find that entertaining. The Christmas show is sure to work out fine. With so many loves and friendships to be won, a producer's lot can be a happy one.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm back from lollygagging, which, as David said, it's spending time aimlessly. We're celebrating a very important wedding anniversary with my good lady wife, by the way. Blimey, it's nice to see Les Henson in the audience tonight. Where are you, Les? I saw you earlier. Hello, Les. Nice to see you. Do you know he had a terrible experience when he was a young man. The first time he took his clothes off in front of a woman, she ran out the park. Anyway, we have got a show together. I hope for you to sit back, relax and enjoy yourselves. Let's let the show go on.